How to fix your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart on Windows. 1. Try rebooting the device. 2. Boot into Windows Safe Mode. 3. Update the existing drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, /apps, via MS Store, /programs or games. 4. Use the command-based approach. Run 2 commands as admin, sfc/scannow dism/online/cleanup image/restore health 5. Run chkdsk command as admin. 6. Change the memory dump setting, disable the automatically restart box. 7. Fix potential RAM errors. 8. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. 9. Uninstall incompatible software/games via Windows Clean Boot. 10. Uninstall the newly installed Windows/driver updates. 11. Check for viruses and malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 12. Remove non-essential devices and peripherals. 13. Check for faulty hardware. 14. Remove any overclocking. 15. Check system log. 16. Perform a system restore. 17. Restore registry configuration. 18. Perform a clean install.